I'll be honest with you, Tamsin, that is exactly, that area is exactly where both the ladies were last time, and they picked up on the same gentleman, so...
Yeah, where Tamsin's standing right there, maybe a bit over that way.
Left.
Yeah.
Here.
There.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Am I in your space?
If Tamsin's in your space, is Tamsin... Yes.
Would you like me to move?
Would you like Tamsin to move? Step away from it if you'd like Tamsin to move.
Okay.
Brilliant. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So that's obviously where the person wants to be, maybe?
Yeah.
It was weird because I just had this huge feeling that I needed you to stand there. Are you male? Can you step close to it again if you're male? Sorry, we keep asking you all these questions.
Would it annoy you if we went and stood in your spot again? If someone went and stood behind that counter again?
If you'd rather we didn't stand behind the counter, come close to the equipment.
Okay, I'm going to have a little wander back.
Okay.
I mean you no harm. We come here with love and light. We're just very interested to find out more about you. I'm now currently standing in your spot. Do you mind me standing here?
You need to move it to the left of my left, sorry.
If you mind me standing here, if you move over to the light closer so you can... Thank you. Thank you, I respect that, and I will move out of your way. So that works. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you.
You've got to come out.
Okay, she's gone.
She's gone.
You can go back to where you were.
Let me move out of the way.
There we go. Well, if this is the same gentleman we've encountered before, could you try and impress on one of these ladies the image of you? Could you let them see you? Like they said, we're here with total respect. We mean you no harm whatsoever. We're just interested. We just want to learn.
Oh, I've got a round belly just popped into my head.
If you can try and show Tamsin more. Show her as much as you're happy to. Oh, okay. Does that mean you are going to show Tamsin more? Okay, could you step away just for a second, please? Thank you. Was it you who showed Tamsin the round belly?
And a moustache, did you get that, Amy? Or a
Curly,
beard, or
like
some
a curly.
form of facial hair going
I'm thinking dark hair, short top.
on.
Not old. I don't call it old.
You're doing brilliantly so far.
What, both? Or?
Yeah, yeah.
Really?
If you can make that stronger for the girls, please, sir. You've done it before. If you can do it again, that'd be brilliant. Really impress upon them. As much as their guides will allow you to. Oh.
Blue eyes. Glasses. And a hat and an apron.
Don't know.
I've got a feeling that he's just that's kind of confirmation. Like he's just saying yes,
That's
yes.
me. Okay.
Okay, could you step away again, please, sir?
Is that you, Spirit?
Yeah.
Could you step away again, please, sir?
Step away one. Oh,
You guys are right in there?
yeah.
How do you feel?
They're both picking up brilliantly on the same bloke that we've had in here before.
Perfect.
And every time they speak of what they're seeing, that goes again. Like it's almost like it's confirming to them.
Okay.
I'll leave you all to it.
Okay. Are you wearing an apron?
I'll leave you girls in here for a little while.
Cool.
You might get a bit more if I'm not recording. So, do you want me to go? Is that what you're saying, or?
Would you like him to go? Can you step close to the equipment if you'd like him to go? Would you like him to stay?
It'd make a change for a spirit to like me.
When we have finished, bread and all that are up the top in the wheelchair.
Okay, yeah, I'll head up there, yeah. Okay, well I'm going to leave now, but feel free to speak to the ladies and continue to impress upon them because you're doing a brilliant job so far. You can use as much of their energy as their guides will allow you to use. And even look at... Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, if that's confirmation, thank you very much. I'm going, okay?